part 52 of chapter 3. When Adam was created, God commanded Gabriel to take the 3 most precious pearls of the divine treasury and offer them in a golden salver to Adam to choose for himself one of the 3. The 3 pearls were wisdom, faith, and modesty. Adam chose the pearl of wisdom. Gabriel then proceeded to remove the salver with the remaining 2 pearls in order to replace them in the divine treasury. With all his mighty power, he found he could not lift the salver. The 2 pearls said to him, "We will not spare from our beloved wisdom. We could not be happy and quiet away from it. From all eternity, we 3 have been the 3 compeers of God's glory, the pearls of his power. We cannot be separated." A voice was now heard to proceed from the divine presence, saying, "Gabriel, leave them and come away." From that time, wisdom has taken its seat on the summit of the brain of Adam. Faith took its abode in his heart. Modesty established itself in his countenance. Those 3 pearls have remained as the heirlooms of the chosen children of Adam. For whoever of all his descendants is not embellished and enriched with those 3 jewels is lacking of the sentiment and luster of his divine origin. So runs the narrative reported by Hussam, Jalal's successor, as having been imparted to him by the latter. And okay, Hekmah, Iman, and Haya. I'm not sure which words they mean, but of course we're looking at Farsi, aren't we? So I really don't know. People talk about divine qualities, like you can separate this out. Oh, I'm going to focus on love, and then I'm going to ignore this other one. I'm going to focus on this one. Okay, you can focus, but you can't really separate them. You know, they have to be together. And human decency and religion itself. People complain about religion because part of religion is not being followed by somebody, and so therefore the problem must be religion. It's like, no, if they're not following the religion to a certain degree, and the problem is that they're not following religion to a certain degree, that's the problem, not the fact that there are some other principles in there. Because if people are going to get fanatical or intolerant, which are usually 2 different things, but or whatever the thing is, it's on them.